Brittany with WTI, and very often lots of serving trays and platters take up so much space. So I really appreciated this collapsible 3-tier tray from Masirs. I love being able to have people over and to put out a nice spread for my guests, but I don't have a lot of storage available to put a bunch of trays and platters. So I really fell in love with this design. It has a handle on the top of the smallest tray that you just twist and pull, and all 3 tiers will separate. So it's easy to spring it up, load it up with all of your goodies, whether it's sweet or savory, depending on whatever type of party that you are doing at that moment. And it is so easy to clean. You can wash it like any normal dish, twist and push, and it's closed and ready to be easily stored in a cabinet or a drawer, wherever you've decided to store this very handy tray. And I have not regretted getting this. And that's my point of view.